Hello everybody, today I got my new air horn, just got it from Amazon. It's the same color I just got, so let's go and open it. Oh, it's already ready to go, man. That one is already ready to go, so good thing you don't have to worry about screwing it because it's already ready to go. Let's go outside test it. Alright, let's do this. Lady over there, you know. My next door lady right there. That's where I know. she has the AirPods on, same thing like I got, so she's lucky. My neighbors just walked by. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace out.